Hello everybody. Taking a nature walk because it's so beautiful outside. A little bit cloudy, but you know, taking a walk. It's important to, they call it earthing. Take your shoes and socks off and walk in the grass and watch the wildlife. Right now I see two bunnies looking at something. I have no idea. But everything's so peaceful and calm, and birds are chirping, and so much green. So much green. So much green. And to think about life, what you're going to do tomorrow, and the next, and the next. But it can only get better. Get a little worse. It'll buff out. So, yeah. Taking a walk. Looking at the trees, the clouds, and the frogs. Because I'm walking next to a pond with cattails. And, sorry, I'm got mints in my mouth. It's always nice to have a fresh breath. What? Walking is very good for you. I recommend it. And to, if you're not on a weight loss plan or anything, just eat right, drink plenty of water, and walk. Lifting weights, you can do. It's good. I recommend walking to burn off the calories and fat and to build muscle along the way. And, yeah, pretty much it. If you want to upgrade, ask a friend. They might know more, or, hey, got a friend in that, let me call her. Let me call somebody. Call somebody. Let's go. Yep. Get those steps in and gains. Gotta get them gains. So, stretch before you walk. If not, you'll pull something. That's not good. Nobody wants that. Your heart's beating too fast. Stop. That's a lot of blood pumping in the body. So, you can probably shower before workout and shower after. That way my body is good to go. Muscles are already, my muscles are warmed up and good to go, and warmed up when you get back home and shower and you go to bed or eat supper, eat a good dinner, and plan for the next day. So, as you can see, sun is hitting me just perfectly. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm almost done my walking. My walking is almost done. So, peace out, and have a great day, week, month, year.